Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna review this apple cider vinegar face wash from Wow Skin Science. Guys, during summer it becomes really important to choose a right facial cleanser. Since last couple of days I have been trying out various face washes, and this Wow Skin Science apple cider vinegar foaming face wash is among them. This is quite an unique face wash due to presence of apple cider vinegar as its key ingredient. I have never tried or use any skincare product with apple cider vinegar previously. Guys, as we all know, apple cider vinegar is a great ingredient for our skin. It helps in maintaining the pH balance of our skin, which is the secret of healthy and flawless skin. So guys, as I already told you, all the products from Wow are formulated without any artificial activity or harmful chemicals like silicone, paraben, etc. Beside apple cider vinegar, this face wash also contains aloe vera extract and vitamin B and E for cleansing. It helps in healing and hydrating our skin. All the ingredients in this face wash are extremely beneficial for our skin. Guys, I brought this face wash from Amazon of rupees 399 only. Its shelf life is of 2 years and it is in white color and it smells like the original vinegar. So guys, as you can see, this Wow Skin Science apple cider foaming face wash has an attractive packaging. It comes in a plastic bottle with a pump dispenser attached on top. Opening is covered with a plastic transparent cape. And guys, we also got a silicone brush to clean our face. So guys, every time I use this face wash, may feels my skin fresh, rejuvenated. It removes the extra oil from the skin. So guys, as you can see, this Wow Skin Science apple cider vinegar foaming face wash has an attractive packaging. It comes in a plastic bottle with a pump dispenser attached on top, and the opening is covered with a plastic transparent cap. And I also got this silicone brush to clean my face easily. Guys, I am so impressed by their packaging. Wow Skin Science apple cider foaming face wash is an easy to use. A single pump is required as per usage. As I already said, it spreads easily on the skin and get rinsed off quickly as well. The face wash also helps to get rid of the dirt, oil build up from the skin. The main ingredient of the face wash is apple cider vinegar. The natural acidic properties of apple cider vinegar helps in unclogging the pores and prevent breakouts thanks to its antibacterial properties. Every time I use this face wash on my skin, I feel fresh and rejuvenated. It removes the extra oil from the skin and adds a softness to the skin as well. My skin feels hydrated and fresh. Throughout, it claims to be ideal for all skin types. So now go a step ahead of regular facial skin cleansing. Just wet your face and neck, pump 20 amounts of Wow Skin Science apple cider vinegar foaming face wash, which comes with a built-in face brush with gentle silicone bristles to give your face deep cleansing. Gently massage this foamy cleanser onto damp skin with the brush. Use a small circular stroke all over your face. Face wash with plenty of plain water. Pat your skin dry, and now it's perfect for daily use. Still, I recommend you for a patch test before you first use, just to be assured that your skin is not allergic towards apple cider vinegar. And guys, finally, I hope that you like my video, and if my videos are helpful for you, then go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally guys, I would like to recommend you this apple cider foaming face wash for summers. And if you want to buy this apple cider vinegar foaming face wash, I am attaching the product link in the description. You can go through the link. Thank you guys. Bye bye.